Morning, guys. So I've got a couple projects I want to do today. One is to put on some new knobs onto the bathroom drawers and doors because the wife wanted those. And of course the phone ate the before clip, but here's the guest bath. The appearance is the same. So we went from this in the master to this. It's real easy to do. These were less than $3 a piece at Lowe's. And no, those are not uneven, even though that right looks higher. It's because the doors are. I gotta adjust that hinge just a little bit. But all in all, that wasn't bad for basically freehanding. I just used a tape measure and put a little piece of tape made by marks, measured this way, measured that way, X, 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 X. And just drilled by hand. Came out great. I like these. I went to Lowe's and took pictures of everything chrome. She wasn't sure if she wanted knobs or handles. She originally said she wanted handles, but these are so low. I'm like, I don't know if handles would be the best thing because I got to really bend over to get those. I can just palm the top of these, but I'm not a fan of handles on doors, but she wanted handles here on the drawers. So she saw these and she liked these, and luckily these were my first pick. They're nice and smooth on the back, and they're big enough for my big fingers. So those work very nicely. While I'm in here, found something else I need to fix. It's very windy out today. It's whipping around. And the flapper up on the top of the vent on the roof is moving and making a racket. It's really annoying me. So I'm gonna get up on the roof and see if there's something caught, or if it just needs a stronger spring, or if, you know, it's just the angle of the wind coming in. But I don't know if you heard that, but it's really annoying because it's nice and quiet in here, and I hear blah, 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 every few seconds. So I'm gonna grab the ladder and we'll take a look. So I think it's just the angle of the wind coming in. It's gusting, and it seems to be coming from offshore. So let's see, it's gonna be on that flat section. That's good. Yeah, right up there somewhere. It's really howling through here. All right, what's that? That's like a bug's nest or something. I'll clean that up while I'm out here too. Oh, and as far as the hot water tank, yes, it is a old physical unit manufactured in late 2005. House was built in mid 2006, but some of you are missing the fact that this house really only has half its use, because it was built, immediately sat vacant, immediately went into foreclosure, and then sat for several years unused. So while the unit is 12, 13 years old, it's only got 5 or 6 years of actual use, if that. So not really worried about it. There's absolutely no problem with its function. So no, I'm not going to replace it just based on age. When it stops heating, if it develops a leak, yes, I will go ahead and put a new one in, but there's no point in replacing this just based on a number when it's working 100% normally. Yeah, it's just the angle of the wind catching it. It's all enclosed. I didn't know what kind of topper this had, but these don't go bad. There's nothing stuck in it. Thought, you know, maybe it was an open top and there's a squirrel getting it or something. I don't know, but no, everything looks fine up on the roof. This the lower one right here is the one in the bathroom. That's the one over the shower. So all good there. And no, I don't feel better today. In fact, I feel worse. It's moving from just the left over to the right, so I am in a cloud. I'm on I don't even remember what brand of medication. It's a combination of Sudafed and ibuprofen to help relieve the sinus pressure. Kind of works, but man, I am in a cloud. Just can't hear anything at all out of my left side. It's not a ringing, but it's like a constant, you know, the sound in an airplane? That whoa, that's exactly what it is. I feel like I'm in a fish tank. In a few hours, I got to go pick up the wife. I don't remember if I said it in a previous video, but I was out here working about a week before we left last week. And this is what I noticed, a little oil spot. Never a good thing to see on a garage floor. So, long story short, there's a fitting loose on her car from the repair where the oil line goes into the oil cooler and the radiator. They had to replace the radiator. I can't get to it. It requires 2 special wrenches, open end, bent box end, or can't think, bent open end wrenches, 2 different sizes to get into this special fitting and tighten the clamp, the fitting, all that kind of good stuff. Don't have the tools to get to it. I'd have to take the whole front end of the car apart. So she's gonna drop it off at the dealer after work today, and they're gonna fix it and we can pick it up tomorrow. Literally, it's a 10-second fix for the mechanic there. They just don't have that tight enough, or there's a bad seal on it or something. Good timing, right as I wrapped up that clip. Amazon delivered my new wireless transmitter receiver for the subwoofer. This one from SVS. A little expensive, a little over $100 on sale, but it gets awesome reviews with 0 interference problems like the cheaper ones do. So rather have it just one and done. Let's go hook the sub back up. We got some of our decorations going up, and actually I just thought this might not be the wireless kit. It might be something else I ordered. A smart outlet adapter for the tree. Alexa, turn on the living room lights. So, need a knife. Yep, my hunch was right. As soon as I said the sub adapter, I was surprised they were here today because I thought it said it was coming tomorrow. But anyway, got this actually on special. Basically, I don't know, 75% off. Got it for like $4 because I got a special on this plus the Generation 3 dot, which isn't here yet. I think that comes tomorrow also. Both for $29. So that is, you know, a hell of a deal because these are $20-25 alone. So I'm gonna use this for the tree, and I've got an outdoor one coming for my studio lights out back. So this will just sit in here and control the tree for now. All right, got it plugged in. Setup was easy. Just download an app. I don't even know if the app is actually necessary to work with your home or not, but you just add it to your Wi-Fi network. It is a Wi-Fi device, so it does have to be in range. It's not Z-Wave or Zigbee or anything, but Wi-Fi is cool because it works with everybody's house. You don't need any kind of special hub. It's not a proprietary network. Downside is, you know, it does have to be in range. So if you have some huge house and you're putting stuff where Wi-Fi signal is spotty, well, then you need to expand your Wi-Fi network. That's the only downside. Alexa, turn on the tree. All right, good to go. Aha. So the wireless system is coming today, either a later Amazon courier or maybe in the mail. And the next dot is coming Wednesday. TV comes Thursday. That'll complete the system. So the wife just texted me and said we're going to do the car tomorrow because she's sick with something else completely different. It feels like complete crap. So she's coming straight home from work. Can't wait to get here. Well, somebody dropped the ball, either the mail or Amazon. Says it was supposed to be delivered tonight, and at 1 o'clock it hit the mail, but it never made it here. Oh well. See you guys next time.